Hi friends, my name is DRM. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through Vlookup with match function. So in one formula we'll be able to find out multiple columns data. So without wasting time, let's start the formula. So before jumping into the formula, let me give you some explanation about Vlookup and match, and then Vlookup with match. Vlookup is used to looks up single or multiple values from a table or a range vertically with the help of a lookup value, and match it gives the location or position of a cell in a range or from a table. So if anybody doesn't know how to use match, I'll show you how to use match first. So here I need the location and location of premises from this range. This is the range from where I need the location of premises cell location. So what I need to do, I need to write for for match function. I need to write equal to then match. All right. Then I need to follow the syntax of this match function. It is asking for lookup value, that is premises, comma. Then the lookup array would be the range from where I need the premises location, cell location. Then comma. It's asking here the syntax we have like exact match less than and greater than. So for exact match it is 0, then bracket closing of open bracket. See, the location is 2, that is like in this range premises is serial number 2. For example, I need the location of Shri instead of premises. So the location of the cell location of Shri is number 4. In serial wise, Shri is located in number 4 cell. So that's how we use match function. So now let's move to VLOOKUP with match. So VLOOKUP, before using VLOOKUP with match function, I'll tell you how to use only VLOOKUP. Alright, I have a table over here, salary details, name, salary, employee ID, and process. We have several employees and their details. And I have over here what I need. I need the salary, process name, salary, amount, process name, and employee ID of those 4 employees: Viraj Kumar, Prem Singh, Vikas Singh, and Shri. I need these 3 details like salary, process, EID for those employees. For that, I can use VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP. So just if you look at the syntax, you can find lookup value. Lookup value would be Viraj Kumar. All right. Then comma. Then the table array. It is asking to choose the table array. So the table array would be the complete table. I can select the complete table. So by clicking here, and we get the complete table, comma, and then column index number, in which column the salary is located. In this table, you can see salary is located in the second column. EAID, employee ID, is located on third column, and process belongs to the fourth column. So for salary, I need to write 3 because salary is located in third column. And true is approximate match, false is exact match. So we need exact match. For that, we can write 0. 0 is equal to exact match. Right? Closing of bracket. What happened? Alright, I gave the wrong column index number. You can see instead of salary I got EID because I have given the column index number incorrect. Salary is located in second column, but I have given third column. So this is the fault over here. Second and enter. If you scroll down, so you get all the details. Alright. Do you know why we did not get this Shree's salary? Because Shree's salary is over here 32,014, but here we did not get the Shree's salary. So here we have a problem. We need to fix this table range. We need to log these cells because these cells would be fixed for all those employees. The employee can be anywhere between those cells. Alright, get the salary details. This is how you use Vlookup. Now we are going to use Vlookup with match function together. We can use for process EID separately by for Vlookup. With Vlookup we can also get the process and EID, but what happened, the problem would be like I need to change the column index number time and again for process because process is on the fourth column, so now I need to write in column index I need to write fourth column, and then in EID I need to write third column. So to avoid all those repetitive tasks, I can use only one formula, VLOOKUP with match. It means it can find the values of multiple columns value vertically from a table. It helps to avoid using the column index number time and again. So by one formula we'll get all three columns details. Let's start the formula. Equal to VLOOKUP, then lookup value. Lookup value would be your employee name over here. Then table array. Table array would be like the way I selected before. We need to lock this table. Over here we also need to lock the column. The column is locked. Then the column index number. Instead of giving a number, here we can use match function. Match. So in match you can see the syntax I have already explained. It's asking for the lookup value. So the lookup value would be salary. What we need? We need salary. We need salary, process, EID, everything. In this column we need salary. So that would be the lookup value. Then we need to lock the row. The row is locked. After that is asking for lookup array. The lookup array would be from the table. So we need to select the column headings from name to process. That would be the lookup array for match. Then 0, exact match. Then closing of bracket. Then comma. Then 0. 0 would be exact match. Closing of bracket. Then enter. Pull down. You got all the salary. Let's go to process and let's copy this and scroll, paste it right. You got the process and the ID for V Rajkumar. Let's pull it down for all the employees. we got. So let's double check it manually. For V Rajkumar, the salary is 57,435. For V Rajkumar, salary is 47,435. A516 is the employee ID, A516, and he works for back office. That is his process. One more cross check. Vikas Singh. Vikas Singh salary is 56,962. Vikas Singh. Vikas Singh. Where is Vikas Singh? Oh, Vikas Singh is at the last. Salary is 56,962. A118. And he also works for back office. So I'm sure that the formula has worked properly. All right. So that's how we use VLOOKUP with match. It helps to avoid time and again using of column index number. In one formula, we'll get all the details of multiple columns. Thank you for watching.